Imagine waking up one morning and your entire career is gone. Not because you got fired, not because the company went bankrupt, but because a piece of software learned how to do your job better than you overnight, and it works for free, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, without ever calling in sick. That is not a science fiction movie. That is happening right now. By the way, my name is Jackie, and today I am going to show you exactly how this shift could impact your money and your future. And here's the part nobody's talking about. The people who understand what is coming are quietly positioning themselves to make more money than ever before. While everyone else is arguing about whether AI is doing good or bad, a small group of people are turning this shift into generational wealth. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which side of that line you want to be on. Most people think AI is just a smarter search engine. You ask it something, it answers. That is called basic AI. Agentic AI is completely different. Think of it like hiring someone new. On day one, they need instructions for everything. That is basic AI. Now picture that same person 6 months later. They walk in, identify the problem, make a plan, execute it, and report back when it is done. No babysitting required. That is agentic AI. It sets goals, takes action, and keeps going until the job is finished. And right now, the biggest companies in the world are not just testing it, they are replacing humans with it at scale. This is exactly why so many people ended up losing their jobs. Here is what is actually happening inside these companies. Klarna, the buy now, pay later giant, announced their AI assistant is doing the work of 700 customer service employees, not helping 700 employees, replacing them. Duolingo quietly laid off 10% of its contractor workforce and said AI would handle the work going forward. McKinsey, one of the most prestigious consulting firms on the planet, is using AI agents to complete research and analysis that used to require entire teams of highly paid analysts. And this is just the beginning. Goldman Sachs published a report saying AI could automate 300 million full-time jobs globally, not low-wage jobs, not factory work. We are talking about legal research, financial modeling, medical diagnosis, software development, skilled careers that people spent years and hundreds of thousands of dollars building. But here's the pattern nobody is talking about. When ATMs arrived in the 80s, people assumed bank tellers were finished. Instead, teller numbers actually increased. ATMs made banking cheaper, banks opened more branches, and humans shifted into higher value roles. Technology almost never kills jobs entirely. It kills the repetitive parts and forces humans into the creative, emotional, and strategic parts. The people who adapted made more money. The people who refused became irrelevant. We are in that exact same moment right now, just compressed into years instead of decades. The jobs that are safe are the ones AI cannot replicate. A plumber fixing a burst pipe in an unpredictable environment. A therapist reading emotion in someone's voice. A teacher managing a classroom of 30 different personalities. These require physical presence, human judgment, and emotional intelligence. The jobs disappearing fastest are the ones that follow logical steps toward predictable outcomes. If a task can be written down as a repeatable process, AI can learn it, then do it faster and cheaper forever. So what do you actually do about it? There are 3 types of people in every economic shift: the ones who get replaced by AI, the ones who adapt the situation, and the ones who own a piece of what is doing the replacing. Adapting means learning to use these tools as leverage, not fearing them as competition. A marketer who uses AI to produce content 10 times faster is not threatened by AI. They are supercharged by it. That is a raise, not a pink slip. But the real wealth building opportunity is owning a piece of the shift. Think about the gold rush. Most miners went broke. The people who sold pickaxes and supplies to the miners built lasting wealth. They did not need to find gold. They just needed to supply the people searching for it. The modern version of that is investing in AI infrastructure. Nvidia, whose chips power almost every major AI system in the world. Microsoft and Amazon, whose cloud platforms run these agents at scale. Companies like Palantir building agentic systems for governments and enterprises. The data centers consuming enormous amounts of power just to keep these systems running. This revenue is not speculative. It is already happening, already measurable, and already compounding. And most regular Americans are sitting on the sidelines watching it happen instead of owning a small piece of it. Here's the truth that ties all of this together. Every generation faces a moment where the old map stops working, where the advice your parents gave you becomes outdated, not because they were wrong, but because the world changed underneath them. The greatest transfers of wealth in history happen quietly, during disruption, to the people who kept their head clear enough to see the opportunity inside the chaos. This is that moment, right now, in real time. You have two choices. You can wait and see what happens, hope your job is safe, and trust that things will work out, or you can pay attention, build the right skills, and start putting your money where the future is actually going. The people who chose the second option during every major shift in history, they are the ones who retired early. They are the ones who built generational wealth. They are the ones who look back and say they saw it coming. Now you see it coming too, so the only question left is simple: what are you going to do about it? If this video opened your eyes, hit that like button and subscribe, because we are just getting started.